Today we are making soya sauce caviar. This modern gastronomy technique allows us to transform liquid soya sauce into small pearls that resembles traditional caviar. To make this caviar, I have here my whisk, agar-agar, a little bowl for the measurement. Then I have my soya sauce and also my scale and a little jar and of course my heavy steel pan. I started by measuring my soya sauce using the little jar. I am using here 200 milliliters for this recipe. It is as easy as that. I am just going to pour the soya sauce into my steel pan. If you ever have a problem making caviar, this video is certainly for you. Make sure to watch until the end to never ever have a problem again making caviar. So using my scale, I'm just going to measure my agar and add it to my soya sauce. I always use 1 gram agar per 100 milliliters of soya sauce, but in the summer, I can use up to 1.5 gram per 100 milliliter of soya sauce. Then the agar is added to the soya sauce. Use the whisk to dissolve the agar into the soya sauce. Bring the soya sauce to a cook point for about 2 to 3 minutes. Make sure to like and subscribe and also turn on the notification bell to see more videos of this type. Set aside the sauce and allow it to cool down slightly. Then this is very important. Make sure to use very cold oil. I mean ice cold oil for the best result always. Like you can see in the video, I poured the very cold oil into my glass bowl and then also poured the soya sauce into the string bottle. I am dropping here the soya sauce using a string bottle. This should form balls and fall into the bottom of the oil immediately. If anything is unclear, ask in the comments below. So here is the result of my delicious soya caviar. You can serve this with chicken, meat or fish. So let's get inspired. Then I strained to remove the excess oil from the caviar. After straining it, some people used to rinse it with fresh water, but I am not going to do that for this soya caviar. Look how beautiful and gorgeous this look. You can use this as topping for your appetizer, fish or meat meals. Look at that. It looks so delicious. Everyone can make this in the comfort of their own home using just simple ingredients, soya and agar. Then I transfer it into an airtight container and place it in the refrigerator, I can use it as long as it lasts because soya with agar can never get spoiled. There is no water in this caviar, so you can use it as long as possible. If you like this video, then check out the next caviar video on the screen or other interesting videos on my channel.